Genius, you take on. My lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. All of me friend them rich. My lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip.
Good day, vlog world. You know, the one and only Melika. Now today is Saturday, July 2nd. Punky birthday, which is my sister, was yesterday the 1st, but you think she not get nothing. So I'm going by there today. Damn, my bun look big and nice. So yeah, that's my favorite hairstyle nowadays. Just like to get a bun. You're coming out put in no ear. So my face come back. Apple cider vinegar. So she's gonna get this nice ass phone. Me and Romando we record a message for her. I'm gonna put it on the phone and surprise her. Hopefully I catch it on camera. Today is a good day, you know. So I get ready now if I go over. I just love a bun. Like, guys, comment below if you don't love a bun. I just think it's neat. Damn, that bun is neat. Yeah. Jack of all trades. Anyways, yeah. So see phone here. Nice pixels and so the pony. So I'm gonna send a message on record on my phone on this phone. So when she go in there, she just see message. I'm gonna link a message now. I'm go see the video what we do this morning. It's just a simple little video. Nice
happy birthday.
I wanna wish you a happy birthday.
I think you get your ugly phone already with your sister there. They find you trick you.
You're gonna get a crazy ass phone. You go the past stop every minute. If you're not gonna chat to me, I'm gonna take you from your back.
See?
Kiss.
Yeah,
give me a kiss.
Make a kiss on the birthday.
Alright, give a kiss. But yeah, this is me. We just pack up, figure over, and Ramanda gonna come for me, my babe. Like, this is the happiest I've been in a couple of months, and I'm so excited. Like, you just know, everybody just knows to be happy. Like, my skin start glow. Hey, but yeah, so keep it like Sky Life TV. I'm your girl. No man, something in my eye. No one think of fashion me I do that for. I'm your girl Melika Sky Life. Subscribe. Show the love. Send me a message. Like, I want to be in contact with the persons that are watching my videos. I just want to be, you know, it's a Sky Life family. We want to be like a cool community. So we know one another. And, you know, keep it locked. Hey guys. I'm just leaving the house from Wayne. A bit caught up at home. Had some things to do. Not like my blouse. Had some things to do. But I have to go to give Stephanie her gift. And surprise her. So my drive won't be coming so. That's why I'm walking to the road now. Because fly high, fly low, I have to go today. So yeah. So that me I do now. And stuff. Walking off the hill. So I'll talk to you guys maybe tomorrow or so, because I'm pretty pissed right now. What is my mouth? I'm bump. Pretty pissed right now. So that me I do. So later. Something like that, please. So people inside. Home now. Pretty pissed. Focus camera.
Yo!
This is a birthday girl. Shout her out on Instagram.
Shout out to my homies, you know.
Who you wanna big up?
I want big up Mando. I want big up Blacks. I want big up Never Did Remember You. Oh yes, I want big up Mesa, Kim, Chantel. Big up the whole crowd, you know? Yeah.
Sky Life family.
Sky Life.
Who you want big up Kim?
One big up Scummy, you know, say Scummy I want the food for me.
Yeah.
Scummy, short in food then. Yeah. One big up Blacks, I'm in charge of that, you see me?
Yeah.
Big up Mando, big up Mesa, just come back here. Big up Mama, big up the whole food.
Yo, big up with yourself in that Sky Life.
Yo!
Oh type like so.
No, son, no, me laugh too hard.
Punky auntie Sandy send this year. She said she never knows your birthday, so she said no donut something. Tell her she like sweet stuff. She said no popcorn. And she give me laugh.
Just rest them on the table.
She said no kiss cake. Kiss cake.
Where Auntie Sandy take them from what I go back.
She said me never know it's her birthday and stuff. I left my bag. I'm rotted. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Let me see. So she got a brand new cellular phone. She can go on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. Yo, you gotta love your sister, yo.
No, I'm a man. It is no Mando. Big up yourself, my brother. You know?
Who can come?
Anyways, Amando.
There's a message on the front. Play the video, yo. Presty, yeah, Papi sure.
Happy birthday. I want to wish you a happy birthday. I think you need to ugly phone with your sister. They're the fire for trick. You're going to get a phone. I go the past stop every minute. If you're not going to chat to me, I'll take you from you.
Yeah. Respect.
Yeah, so that's tell Skyline TV good night for me.
Good night, you know?
Good night, Skylar.
We're out. Cause you're pretty. Your sister pretty though? You're pretty for my phone screen. I'm not gonna lie, Punky. Anyways, you like your phone?
I love it.
Okay.
I know some love gadgets, so would I love it, you know?
What is this?
How old are you?
Call Mando. I'm 16 years old.
You're going on.
I'm going on and I'm holding on.
Good morning.
Myself, me not turn good. Just please, no man.
No, you can't escape this. What's up? Let me see your face.
Myself, me need to brush my teeth.
Let me see your face. Let me see your face now.
Myself,
What's your name, Mesa?
you.
My name is Malika. Okay, people? So, he's the same person.
You don't even know.
You know what they put my birth certificate? What other? Malika.
No, Chantel say Melissa.
I should tell my mother. Wait. Chantel.
Boy.
Chantel.
Myself, that need to delete. Look how me turn bad.
What about it and bad? Now that you say you do sister again.
But me not brush my teeth and look at my
The
ear.
people them not see in your mouth. Your head favor with Johnny Bravo. You know him?
Hear they. Me head long.
Johnny Bravo. Hey guys, what's up? My eye looks so red. Stephanie, your eye look red.
Which one? Which one?
This one. No look red?
I told you need to drink yourself.
Come, stand up. Come look in the camera. This one right here. So pretty. Outfit of the day.
Outfit of the day.
Clean up, clean up, clean up. Every day I make clean. I don't know where I make clean. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Every day I make clean. I don't know where I make clean. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Every day I make clean. I don't know where I make clean. Everybody can see it. Say me I overdo it, oh yeah. Hey, y'all be say, why make you clean so? Y'all be say, why make you clean so?
It's Stephanie, and this is me. This is who?
This is Malika.
Skylife TV. So today is Sunday. We're about to go out. We're waiting on
Romando.
the boss. The who?
Hey man.
Yes, I'm here for Romando. We are go out. Alliance dressing. Cute dressing. Clean. So we're just gonna go out for dinner and maybe have some ice cream and stuff. Nothing too extra, nothing too, you know, simple and eat on a Sunday evening, yeah.
You know?
Yeah. So we're on fleek right now.
Anting.
So we there go and kick it
Anting.
and stuff. Yeah, this is my sister. She's so thin and brown, and I'm the opposite of her, you know. But yeah, keep it locked.
Yeah.
Alright.
Sexy. I want two tough bags.
Ashel,
You're starting me?
no, this is for the vlog. You need to check out my channel, Malika Skylife.
You finally done it?
Yes. I have like 10 vlogs up now. That's Marjorie right there.
You're wicked.
You look clean for my camera though.
Have to. Stay so.
See Addy there, my dog. Addy. But Princess dead. Me did have 2 dogs, Addy and Princess dead. Princess dead. Man, no care Princess got country make Princess
How many
dead.
camera there for me, Alvin?
What are you talk?
What are you at dog?
That time me care them. No. In get bag where you hooking. That time me care them. That time I go at them. And stuff. Tie shop over there so.
What is this thing on YouTube?
Yeah, I said my vlog channel. That's where you go. YouTube to find it. Malika Skylife. Check it. Keep it locked. Subscribe. Anyway, guys. Rain go fall. We still await. So let's driving now. Stephanie, me, camera guy, Ramanda. We're on the highway. Don't give us a dance.
Yes,
What's a dance? Anyway, guys, I'll see you. This will be the end of this vlog. We're gonna have a good time.
Real rich and for blocks. Yo, we love you one stand up now.
Thank you so much for stopping by Malika Skylife TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.